Legal translation is a type of translation that replaces the source language with a target language and certified legal translator, duly accredited by the Legal Translation Department in the Ministry of Justice of UAE. Wondering what makes it different from other kinds of translation? Legal translation duly bridges the barriers to officially record your documents in UAE's government entities like Dubai Land Department, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Ministry of Justice, Dubai, UAE Courts, Ministry of Education and Ministry of Health, Free Zone like DMCC, Dubai Silicon Oasis, among various other government departments, embassies and ministries locally and internationally. No government department or ministry in UAE accepts documents in any other language than Arabic. Therefore, if your documents are non-Arabic, they are essential to be legally translated into Arabic before having them submitted for the fulfillment of the relevant purposes. Thus, the legal translation uses terms and content from the legal system that is currently prevailing in the country from where the source document came from. With globalization on the rise, the need and requirement for legal translation increases.